It's gonna be beautiful. Don't get in my shot. This guy's about to get in my shot. God damn it. Get out of my shot. Drop it! I want it to fall. Yeah, I'm trying to. You saw that? You heard that? Yeah, I want it to drop. I want to throw shit at it right now. Who got a slingshot? Oh! I missed that, but I know I caught it. Oh, the back one's about to drop. Oh, there it is. I want something to drop on us. Oh, it's shaking. It's shaking. I'll edit this video. It's gonna drop on us. I'll tell you that right now. This is happening. It's taking its, yeah. I was about to flip the camera and just because like there's fire department behind me, so that would have been a cool shot to be like, hey yo, selfie, fire department. But yeah, that's so funny. They just popped up.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Do you think the owners like vote or like you should come?
No. Why would you snitch on yourself?
Well, but they see the fire from so far away, like.
Oh yeah. Oh no. Okay, that actually makes a lot of sense. Like a warning.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why the way you said that. It was like you should come.
You know, another Jaeger train. Not just snitch, but like.
Another Jaeger train. You want to go do a Jaeger bomb, dude?
I will do a Jaeger bomb.
Let's fucking do a Jaeger bomb. But I also want to keep this thing rolling.
Oh no.
Because I know this is gonna fall when I Jaeger bomb. I want to catch this falling, bro. It's shaking.
Come on in.
I am trying to. Round 2, baby. Do you have Tylenol?
I was like starting to get depressed.
You look like you pack Advil.
I can't believe I lost my cups. So I picked them up. I was like,
I look like I pack Advil.
Yeah, like you're responsible as fuck, and you deal. Yeah, and you deal with shit, so you got headaches because you live stressfully. I get it.
I do not live stressfully.
I know, I'm fucking
I hardly ever
around.
get a headache. That's why I don't pack anything.
Yo, you look like this guy gives you headaches constantly. No.
It's probably the other way around.
There you go.
Yeah. We all know that. I was just making you feel better.
Thanks, Cal dude.
You're welcome.
You're not my pal Cal anymore.
Well, I still love you.
I'm kidding.
I know. Fuck, I missed you guys, man. I'm crazy.
How'd you get into stand-up?
It just found me.
I think it was
It just always, I don't know.
I remember you from what, 3-4 years ago?
2016 to 18.
2016 to 18, yeah. Like, fuck man, I come to work, I gotta get in a plane, a train, and an automobile.
Oh, yeah.
You remember that?
Wow, I totally forgot that. I totally forgot that.
You have fans, man.
Dude,
You have fans.
I can't believe you remembered that.
That's what I remember when I first flew with you. I'm like, yeah, this guy.
I had the, and it was
Years
funny because of the movie, Planes, Trains, Automobiles, but we literally had to take a car to park at this fucking parking lot and then take a train to the airport where we take a plane to work. Like, it's so fucking...
I never thought about it until you said it. You're like,
Planes,
fuck,
Trains, and Automobiles. It's fucking exhausting, dude. Like, that's awesome. Oh my God. This should be a podcast. I've been filming the past 4 minutes. This whole the fire podcast. Why just have conversations by the fire? Why haven't I thought of this before? This is literally what I do.
good idea.
Is fucking chill by make fires. I'll literally I'll post a story. I'll be like, bonfire at this place. Come by because I want to fucking light a fire. Oh!
Did you get it?
I did get it. In 4.5 minutes, I got it. That was
almost done.
Was it everything you hoped for?
It was. You know what? It wasn't everything I've hoped for, but these conversations have just augmented it and made that quality of life and waiting everything that I've hoped for. I also didn't expect it to cut in half because I wanted that one
The
to
whole
drop.
thing, yeah.
The entire confection.
All right.
Sick.
Jaeger bombs.
Jägermeister Red Bull.
I already have a headache, and I know this is gonna give me one in the morning.
There you go.
It's Jaeger, bro. It's sugar. It's syrup. It's lean. We drinking lean.
It's delicious.
It's fucking. It's literally like Jaeger is lean. I'm gonna write that down. I have it on camera. Cool. We're not on drugs.
Right
No,
now. I'm taking one, babe.
yeah, dude. Snag me.
Jaeger bomb.
Can I grab one?
Bro.
Say yes.
Yeah,
There we go.
No, it's 17:53.
Last
One here.
This guy just. What's up? What's up?
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Fuck yes. Happy harvest!
Oh yeah. Wow.
That is delicious.
So good.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, thank you so much.
Got the tower train going.
I've been looking for you, my love. Hey, I appreciate you, man. Thank you. No problem.
Of course.